Okay, so quick update on the house in Haslet. Sorry, it's been a while. Ended up having a whole bunch of issues with delays on the floor, and then I'm now in a delay with my granite. But majority of the walls have been painted. We just need to finish cutting in. Once again, not we, I need to finish cutting it in. Carpet got put in. Obviously the floors got put in. The delay was the floor. The crew that was doing the work, not my crew, took 6 days to get the work done. That's painted. Waiting on the countertop here. New fixture here. Got to finish painting. The big thing is the master. Haven't started the tile work yet. I'll be getting on that soon. But vanity's installed with its countertop, so this faucet is up and running. And then got the light fixtures in here. I still got some plumbing work to get done over here. But cool thing is this door, which is just a frosted glass, which is meant to match that. So, but yeah, once again, tile work, I'll be getting on that here soon. So, like I said, quick update. Granite's coming in next week, so I'll be done by the end of next week. But it's turning out really well. Oh, so I still got to do the tile for that. Now that the floor's done, I can match it. And then kitchen cabinets have been painted. So crown put on, everything was caulked, everything's been painted. So obviously waiting on countertop here. I do have the appliances. They are just sitting out in the garage, waiting to be installed. So, and then I put this new door in, which I did right before the floors were installed. I just did not like the way the frame was done. Or the way the frame looked, I should say, on the old one. So, all right, peace out. Talk to you later.